Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Google Analytics 4 into your WordPress website using the HT Easy GA4 plugin. This plugin provides you with different analytical data and reports from Google Analytics 4, allowing you to track user behavior on your website easily. So without further ado, let's begin. To install the plugin, head over to the Plugins menu first, then click Add New. Now search for the plugin by typing in its name over here. Once you find the plugin in the search results, install and activate it. Upon successful activation of the plugin, a new menu will appear on the left sidebar. If you click the menu, it will take you to the settings page of the plugin. Here you'll see that there are 3 separate tabs available to keep things organized. Now, I'm going to walk you through all the options available in these tabs. Let's start with the General Options tab. This is where you need to connect your website with Google Analytics in order to measure traffic and engagement across your website. It will also enable you to access different types of analytical data and reports. If you want to view standard reports without connecting to Google Analytics, it won't allow you to access the reports. So let me show you how to do that. First, navigate to the General Options tab. If you're using this plugin for the first time, simply log in with your Google account. Make sure to choose an account where you have Google Analytics configured already. Then check this box to give the plugin access to the analytical data of your account and click Continue. Please remember not to leave this page when it's processing your request to connect to Google Analytics 4. Alright, now that you've successfully logged in, the plugin will prompt you to select an account, a property, and a measurement ID. So let's get the configuration done already and save the changes. Now if you check the Standard Reports tab, you'll see that all the analytical data and reports are showing. Since we chose an account that already has previous analytical data, our plugin retrieves those data, which can be viewed here. Alright, so now let me give you a brief overview of all the data and reports we have here. First of all, you'll see a meta info section that indicates the user who is currently logged in and the measurement ID for which the reports are displayed. Then comes the reports for metrics such as sessions, page view, and bounce rate. Here, the sessions report shows the number of sessions, while the page view report shows the total number of page views on your site. Next up is the bounce rate report, which represents the percentage of sessions where users were not engaged with your site. If you scroll down a bit, you'll find the top pages section where you can see a list of the most visited pages on your website. In the top refers section, you can also find the top sources that are referring traffic to your website. To determine which countries are driving the most traffic to your website, check out the top countries section. You'll even find a graphical chart that shows whether your visitors are new or returning. That's not all though. The plugin also provides a graphical chart that displays the type of device visitors use to browse your website. If you scroll to the top, you'll find some options to check the data for a certain time duration. The plugin even lets you compare the current data to the data from the previous period. Now let me show you what you can do with the Pro version of the plugin. But first, you'll need to upload the Pro version of the plugin from the Plugins menu. Once you have done that, make sure to install and activate it. Now, if you take a look at the settings page, you'll notice that the section for managing all e-commerce events is now unlocked. To access all the options for managing e-commerce events, you must enable this option and then save the changes. As you can see, these are the e-commerce events you can manage through this plugin. Now, if you visit the e-commerce reports tab to see if it works properly, you'll see that the WooCommerce plugin is required to access the data. So make sure to install and activate the WooCommerce plugin as well. If you go back to the plugin settings and view the e-commerce reports tab again, you'll see all the data and reports that are related to e-commerce. For example, transactions, average purchase revenue, total purchase revenue, and many more useful data and reports. So that's how easy it is to track your website performance right from your WordPress dashboard. If you have any questions or feedback about this plugin, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer that. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.